Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide list li with data price using custom CSS in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is li list with price. So we are going to hide it using custom CSS and you can use that CSS in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now you see li list, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see li data hyphen price is equal to 20. Now you see. So this li highlight whole section. Now you see. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see li data hyphen price is equal to 100. So you can add price value. Now you see 20. So you can add your value here and then you see display none and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now we are going to check again and then you see list with data price hide using custom CSS in website and you can use this custom CSS in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.